Verification of zeros of a polynomial. Now basically in this video what we are going to see is that if you have a polynomial, okay, whether a particular value of the variable is a zero of a polynomial or not. Let me explain this to you. So let's say if you have a polynomial fx is equal to 4x minus 2. Here x is a variable. Okay. Now if I say, can you check for me whether x is equal to 2, or in other words the value of x as 2 is a zero of this polynomial or not? The answer is simple. A number is a zero of a polynomial if, when we substitute a particular value for the variable, the total value of the polynomial becomes 0. So in this case, let's say for example I put in if fx is equal to 4 multiplied by x is equal to 2 minus 8. What is the value of fx or the polynomial? 4 times 2 gives me 8, minus 8 is equal to 0. Right? So for this value of x, the value of the polynomial fx, also written as f2 in this case, gives us the value of the polynomial as 0. And therefore we say that at x is equal to 2, 2 is a 0 of this given polynomial. Similarly, for x is equal to 4, if I have to put that value in this polynomial, let's see what the answer is. So at f4, x value is 4, what is the value of this polynomial? It becomes 4 square minus 4 plus 12. Right? 4 square gives us 16 minus 4 plus 12. Now the answer to this is 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So the value of f4 is not equal to 0. Hence we say that 4 is not a zero of polynomial. Fx is equal to x square minus x plus 12. Let us look at it a little differently. We have to find the zero of a given polynomial. Okay, so you are given that a polynomial fx is equal to x minus 7, and you are asked to find out what is a zero of this polynomial. Now we know that at any given point in time, for any number to be a zero of this polynomial, what has to happen is that x minus 7 or this polynomial itself has to be equal to 0, right? If I look at it, it becomes pretty simple. So what is the value of x for which this polynomial fx is equal to x minus 7 becomes 0? It's obviously x is equal to 7, because when x is equal to 7, f7 becomes 7 minus 7 or 0, which means that 7 is a zero of polynomial fx is equal to x minus 7. Similarly, another one, fx is equal to 3x minus 14. So to find out the 0, we just simply equate the value of the polynomial equals to 0. 3x is equal to 14, or x is equal to 14 by 3, right? So for f14 by 13, the value that we get is 3 times 14 divided by 33 minus 14. This knocks off this. 14 minus 14 gives us 0. So the 0 of this particular equation is 14 divided by 3.